Hi there guys, my name is Abel and I'll be giving you guys a lesson on these common multiples. But what is this? Uh, well, it's two integers, let's say a and b. And well, the LCM is actually the smallest positive integer that is evenly divisible by both this such a and b. So for example, let's find the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay? How we would do that, I got two ways of doing that. There's a Christmas tree way, which I'm going to show you guys first, then I'm going to show you the other way. So the Christmas tree way, we line both the numbers up and we divide them evenly. So we can't really divide 3 by a whole number. And the only way we could actually do that though, if we were, would be 1 and 3. But for 4, it's easily divisible by, or evenly divisible by 2 and 2. So we would take these numbers and would multiply them by each other and we would find the LCM actually. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 3 times 1, which is 3, times 2 times 2, which is 4, which equals 12. Another way we can figure this out, 12 is the LCM by the way. But the other way of figuring this out is that we could just list the multiples of these numbers. So the multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. And for 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. But we see that the 12 matches up with it. So that's our LCM. So I'm going to go on and give you guys a few more examples and I'm going to show you the ways. Alright. So for the next one, we will find the LCM for 20 and 6. Okay. LCM of 20 and 6. So we can go about the Christmas tree way, which divided it evenly. So 2, what's 20 divided by 2? It's going to be 10. And then 10 divided evenly is 2 and 5, which that is a prime factorization of 20. Oops, my bad. So now when we go to the 6, we try to find its prime factorization. It's 2 and 3, and we can't really go that much further. Alright, so to find the LCM, we multiply all this. So first number is going to be 2 times 2 times 5. And so what we do now is that since we see that there's already a 2 down, we don't need to place this 2 right here. So we're just going to write a check mark underneath it. But we do not have the 3 in this equation, so we need to add that 3. So how we would find this LCM is that we would multiply all these numbers. Alright, so 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 15 is 60. And that's the LCM. But another way we could find this, list the multiples, 20, 40, 60, 80, so on. And then with 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, so on, but it eventually hits 60, and that's the LCM. I'm going to give you guys 2 more examples, and then I believe you guys would be done and know how to do this. Okay, so for the next example, let's find the LCM of 48 and 24. Okay, 48 and 24. So we could go about the Christmas tree way, or we could do the other way. We could just list the multiples out. And since these are already pretty big numbers, and also since 24 is a multiple of 48, we know that the LCM of this will be 48. So let me write that out for you. So 24, we're going to list the multiples. So 24 and 48 and 72 and so on. Number 48 is 48, 96, oops, and then 144. But we see that 48 matches up on both sides, so that's the least common multiple of 48 and 24. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys one more question, and I'm gonna have you guys do it yourself and see how you guys do. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna find the multiples of 18 and, the least common multiples of 18 and 8. LCM of 18, and 8. Oops, my bad, both my 8s look wrong. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a few seconds. Try to figure this out. Alright, so we're gonna go about this the Christmas tree way. Put the 18, so what's 2 divided by 18? Or 18 divided by 2, better said, I mean. And it's 9. 9 divided evenly is 3 and 3. And then for 8, it's 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 is split up into 2 and 2. So, when we multiply these to find the LCM, we write these down. So, 2 times 3 times 3. You see, in 2 times 3 and 3. And then we see that there's already a 2 there, so we're going to check that one off. There's 2 more 2's though, so we'll add those, 2 and 2, and now we'll multiply them, and we'll find the LCM. So this is 4, this is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, 18 times 4 equals 72, and that's the LCM. You can find it the other way as well. Now I'll show you guys that. Okay, so we'll list the multiples of 18 and 8. So 18, 36, 54, 72. And then for 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72. And that's our LCM. Well, I had a good time showing you guys the works around least common multiples. I hope you guys picked it up and had fun as well. So, thank you guys for attending this lesson, and hope to see you guys again later on in one of my next ones. You guys have a good one. Bye.